Hi guys, this is me unboxing my new Dell XPS 13 laptop. This came in just a few weeks ago and I'm just having it, and so I just want to check it out with you guys and tell you what I feel about my new laptop. So specifically, this is the Dell XPS 13, which is a 13.4-inch display size, and this is the 16 gig RAM size and then the 1TB SSD type. So this is the box it came in with, the nice packaging and the nice labeling. So right from the start, I can see that this laptop is going to be very small and lightweight. So let's go in and check out what we have. So we have a box inside our box, and this is a nice black box with a Dell inscribed on it. This is an actually beautiful box to gift someone. It's just a perfect gift to give someone. So this is the black shiny box my laptop came in. So let's check out the actual contents of the box. There is my Dell XPS 13 silver colored laptop. Fits perfectly inside the box. Yes. It has the XPS written inside the box, which is very nice. And as I said, this is lightweight, portable, small, and actually very sleek. I like the laptop. It actually came with other goodies. We have the charging adapter. Not your regular laptop charger. Yes, and this is the cable that comes with the charger. This is the instruction manual, and that is the USB-C type adapter. This allows you to connect to your usual USB-A devices because the laptop comes with a USB-C port. Yes, so guys, that is the laptop. So taking off the wrapping. Yeah, that is the shiny Dell XPS 13 silver colored laptop. And what do I think about it? I think it's sleek, cute, and beautiful, portable. And I like it. Just talking about the exterior, I already like it. So there you have it. And yes, on the whole, I think the packaging came in really nice. And later on we'll get into the actual laptop, why I selected this particular laptop and why I selected the specs I selected, the options I had, the laptops I've used previously and what's available on the market, the cost, and also we'll talk about how this laptop is going to help me or not going to help me for the purpose of my studies as an engineering student, and any other thing that might come along concerning my Dell XPS 13 laptop. So this is where I end the unboxing video. Thank you and see you next time, maybe.